Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 28th, 2025, and we're trying something new this year. We are doing soil blocking, and we just got the things delivered not too many days ago, so we're trying them out here. Our soil blocker is the 2-inch soil blocker, and I'm going to have a link down in the description for this particular one. It's 2-inch by 2-inch, and we put the small, I guess they call them dibbers, in for making the holes in the soil blocks for your seeds to go in. So we're using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix, and you want to work these around in there so you get a nice full block of soil there. And the soil consistency for how much water is in it has an effect on it too. Like I said, we're using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. That's the mix that I've used for years, so that's the one that I get. I don't know how it does with other mixes.
Some are a little bit bigger, some small.
So this over here, we did have to add some more soil in because we had too much water in our tub when we mixed the soil. And like I said, this is the first time that we've ever done these, so we're learning as we're going.
It still works.
But it is faster than filling the trays, and you don't have to clean your trays with the bleach. So we're going to be getting these planted. Then, whoops, there was one there that tried to fall apart. But we're going to be getting these planted, and I'll come back with more videos then as the season progresses on for how these are doing for us. And like I said, these are supposed to help reduce transplant shock. It's supposed to help your plants grow better. It's supposed to do air pruning for your root systems. So we'll see. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.